Emily is still at her desk when she notices the clock. It is almost noon. She sits back and realizes she's hungry. The morning has gone by quickly. She reaches for her bag and searches through it, moving things aside with one hand. There is nothing for lunch. She forgot to bring anything today. She sets the bag down by her chair and opens her desk drawer. There are pins at the front, a hair tie, and a few old receipts. She moves them aside. At the back, almost hidden, there is a small packet of instant miso soup. She remembered it was there from before. She picks it up and turns it over. She checks the date on the back. It's fine. Enough for today. She carries it to the break room. The room is already half full. People are unwrapping bentos and opening drinks at the table. Emily gets a paper cup from the stack near the sink. She tears the packet open. A little miso powder catches on the edge and falls onto the counter. She wipes it away with her finger, then presses the button on the hot water machine. The water comes out in a slow, steady stream. She fills the cup and picks up a thin plastic stick. She stirs until the miso dissolves, working out the small lumps near the bottom. The water shifts from clear to a warm, cloudy brown. Small cubes of tofu rise to the surface. There is a little dried seaweed at the bottom, slowly softening. She carries the cup to the window and holds it in both hands. Outside, the street below is in the middle of the lunch hour. A woman passes with a white convenience store bag. Two men in suits stand near the entrance, talking without moving. The soup is still too hot to drink. Emily waits. She watches the thin line of steam rise and disappear above the cup. She takes a small sip. The miso is mild and warm. It is not much, but it will do. A colleague behind her is eating from a large bento box. Rice, a piece of fish, some vegetables on the side. Emily does not look at it for long. She turns back to the window and keeps drinking. The break room gets noisier as more people arrive. Someone turns on the small television on the wall. A lunchtime news program starts in the background. Emily is not really listening. She watches a delivery worker outside load boxes into the back of a truck, then pull away. She finishes the last of the soup. She stands with the empty cup for a moment. She rinses the cup with a little water in the sink and places it in the recycling. She dries her hands on a paper towel and walks back down the corridor to her desk. She sits down. The document is still open on her screen, cursor blinking in the same place. She has 14 minutes before the next meeting. She gets back to work.